If you can accept a question like how long is this piece of string, or other stupid questions. The reason why I took this course is not necessarily for my career per se. It was more about personal finance and find a way to learn how to build an investment portfolio of my own with an eye on the future, and taking what I've learned the last 2 weeks and applying it to my life. Frankly speaking, it's given me a good set of tools, so to speak, to embark on that journey. Trainee consultant was a great guy called Christian. He was great at delivering the content. He was great at finding certain ways to relate to us in regards to the content. He really values the concept of interaction, not just with him asking questions, but also, interacting amongst each other is a really big part of his teaching method, I've gathered. He incorporates gamification into the way that we learn. Little exercises throughout the day I found very, very useful. The great thing about him is I've asked him every single question, including how long is a piece of string. He is very approachable, and if you can accept a question like how long is this piece of string, or other stupid questions, you can ask for a better consultant. Most effective, I actually think, was these little exercises, but more so the games that he implemented throughout the course. Because we're sitting here in a classroom, we're learning everything, but the whole point of applying what you've learned, you're not going to know until you leave the classroom, so why not try some sort of trial in the classroom? So, he employed a very interesting game where it was like a mock trading experience, as if we were on the trading floor, trading various stocks and so on and so forth, and just applying that interactive, applicable way into your learning. It's not just a bunch of books and slides and PowerPoint presentations and other stuff like that. It's actually spending time taking what you've learned, using it there and then. Learn by doing, which is my favorite way of learning things.